This is a 1996 FZR 600R. Today I'm going to talk about the oil change. I've seen a couple videos on YouTube that were wrong. There's a plug right here, this little Allen type plug, and they're showing to remove that plug as the oil drain plug. That's not the oil drain plug on this FZR. Common sense, that plug is halfway up the crankcase, so all the oil below the plug ain't draining out if you're using that. I'm not even taking this side of the bike off to change the oil. On the FZR 600R, the drain plug is on this side of the motor. It's right behind this fairing bracket. You can take this little bracket off. Right there's the drain plug. I don't know why this one has like a Phillips in the center of it, but that bolt doesn't actually come out. If you put a Phillips screwdriver right there and turn it, the whole bolt will come out. So that it almost looks like it separates one bolt from the other right here, but it doesn't. It's actually just one bolt. I don't know what the deal with that is. So again, if you look and you can't see it, it's right behind this little bracket.